Most of the people on the planet love a good basic burger with toasted buns, meat, and topped with onions, ketchup, mayo, aioli, lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, and of course mushrooms. But for this scenario, where if you're in a hurry to pack lunch in the mornings or you're trying to eat healthy, then there's one way to still enjoy the good old burger. Option 1. Skip the meat cause prepping takes time and without protein it would just be a plain sandwich. Option 2. Look for ingredients that are quick to make. So in this video, we shall learn how to make juicy barbecue, easy sticky vegan pulled pork, and hey, welcome to Alchemy. So here I have 300 grams of king oyster mushrooms. I picked these as they have long stalks, which is important for this sticky vegan pulled pork recipe. So to start this, let's take a fork and then a knife to cut off the edges. You see the lines of the mushroom? In this direction, we put some pressure to scrape the outer lining of the oyster mushroom. Now start slow as you don't want to break apart the stalk of the mushroom. While doing this, you will end up with vertical pieces of mushroom that almost resembles like shredded meat. Don't you think so? Now to add flavor to this vegan pulled pork, here's the slow motion shot. I'm adding up fresh garlic as it tasted much better than the dry spice powder. Now give them a quick beating, pound them up. Now add the garlic to your shredded oyster mushroom. Next add 1 tablespoon of fennel, then half a teaspoon of powdered cumin, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Oops, I forgot to add this before. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric as well. Mix it well and keep it aside until we get the pan to cook down this oyster mushroom. Here's the pan getting heated up. Add up 1 tablespoon oil. Wait for it to be smoking hot. Add all the shredded oyster mushroom onto the pan. Here's the sizzling sound of mushrooms hitting the hot pan. And now it's a waiting game. A wait for the mushroom to be cooked. After they are cooked, they look something like this. Okay, it may not look appealing now, but here's the secret ingredient, the barbecue sauce. Now use any brand of your choice. I added about 3.5 tablespoons of barbecue sauce and mixed it well. By this time, get your oven heated up because we are going to bake this up to get the sticky caramelized look. Now if you find the sauce way too thick, you can add a couple of tablespoons of water to thin this out. I did add a couple of spoons of water before I baked them at 400 Fahrenheit for about 18 minutes. Oh my god, look at that!
Wow!
My favorite part is always the edges where some are burnt, some are caramelized, and some really crisp up. Now it's hard to believe what baking has done to the texture of the mushroom. This can easily be used for 3 burgers with ample amount of toppings, isn't it? Since we're down to the end, now would be a good time to smash the like button for me and comment down on what would you like to see on the channel. Now getting back to the video, so here I have the buns. I'm going to add some non-dairy butter and toast these buns. Now once they are toasted, it's time to assemble these. The order of toppings are not exactly right is what I think. Or was it right? Or does it even matter? Anyway, build your burger with your favorite toppings. I use pickled onions, lettuce, and a good serving of sticky vegan pulled pork, aka the shredded barbecue oyster mushroom. Just look at that piece of art. Okay, this burger can still win over meat lovers because of its flavors and textures. This is one way to get the kids eat their mushroom because they are rich in B vitamins, and whipping this up for school or work lunches is so easy. It hardly takes a half an hour. Including the prep time. So if you thought this was easy, here's another mind-blowing recipe: vegan KFC or crispy fried vegan chicken, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.